In today's video, we're taking a look at how to clean makeup brushes easy and simple. And with this technique, you will be able to use things that you have in your household. This is so easy, anyone could do. Everything that we use on the video, we're going to leave a link on the description. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So you woke up today and noticed that you were putting on your makeup, but it's not going on like it used to. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. And today we're gonna use 3 different types of brushes, plus a makeup sponge. The first thing that you're gonna need is a container, and preferably one that's tall, because the last thing you want is your brushes to fall to the side. And the first ingredient that we're gonna use is 1 cup of hot water, or about 236 grams. Our next ingredient is 1 tablespoon of white distilled vinegar, or about 14 grams. And our last ingredient is 1 tablespoon of liquid soap, or you can even use baby shampoo, and that's about 15 grams. We're gonna go ahead and mix this well. And our main goal is we want to have the water just enough to cover the bristles. We don't want the water to go to the handle or ruin the glue that holds the bristles in place. We're going to lay them to rest for a minimum of 20 to 30 minutes. And we do this so the magic potion can get to know all the members in the jacuzzi. This helps it with a deep clean and gets in every nook and cranny of that brush. Once you place your brushes, you want to move them around a little bit. If you're cleaning your sponge, you're gonna notice that it floats. So a pro tip, using a shot glass can keep this runaway fugitive down. And having a plate at the bottom is gonna avoid any unnecessary spills. Now that our 20 or 30 minutes are up, the first thing that we notice is that the water is super dirty, and that's a good sign. Just don't drink it. And no, I know what you're thinking. We're not giving this water to no family member, friends, spouses, loved ones, enemies, frenemies, co-workers, but we are taking it to the sink. We're discarding the water. We're gonna run clean water through it and make sure that all the liquid has been removed. We repeat this process for all the brushes and the sponge. Now that our Airbnb guests have gone to the pool, we're gonna set them up to dry. We're gonna take some paper towels and dry them individually, and then place them on a table on top of a paper towel and let them rest there until they're dry. Now you can pat yourself on the back for bringing your brushes back to its former glory. Now you've become the almighty renewer. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone in the StatUpBox team or someone in the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.